My name's Cade, and behind me is my welding bench that I built at the fab school. Reason why I joined fab school because I've always been interested in fabrication. Went to high school, did a year of welding program there, and figured out that welding was the path I wanted to go down. Process behind this table was all cutting, all by ourselves, all fitting up the parts by ourselves. Honestly, the biggest struggle for me was actually learning how to cut everything correctly at the right angles, also at the right lengths. That's the biggest challenge for me, honestly. I learned a lot with the fitting up part, making sure everything was at 90-degree angles and some at 9-degree angles at some of the cuts for the legs. But yeah, and then I kind of put a really cool design on the top. I'm gonna use this bench for my RC car racing, and it's probably gonna sit in my house for a long time. Two things I learned the most on with actually spacing out my welds and making sure nothing got too hot during the process of building this. And probably another thing was making sure all my cuts were correct and making sure everything fitted up correctly, because at first I put it all together with just my tacks and it was pretty wobbly and I cut it all apart and it still wasn't correct. And then Dave and Angel, my instructors, stepped on it and got it all straightened out. So probably my cutting was the biggest issue and probably I learned the most on, honestly.